very famous musician in World War II, but he was a civilian. So think of him like a rock star. And his band, the Glenn Miller Band, was a civilian band, and they were very, very popular worldwide. And when World War II broke out, he wanted to be able to serve his country. And what he did was then he and members of his band joined the Army Air Forces. Again, he was already famous before he joined. So when he joined, he was a celebrity joining the Air Force. From a musical sense, what he did was he brought really good melodies and very catchy tunes and very good arrangements. He would also do radio broadcasts both in the United States and in Europe for those troops and men and women stationed abroad. So what he brought to so many people, both in the United States and in Europe, was hope.
You speak, and the angels sing, or am I reading music to every word?
We always look back to our past and our heritage. So tonight we're going to play some Glenn Miller, but also the music we're going to play is built on the music of today. So that's a tradition that we have. This band will have the tradition of saxophones, trumpets, trombones, rhythm section, and a vocalist, just like the Glenn Miller Band had. And we're going to do Glenn Miller music and modern music as well tonight.